Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Treasury Consulting Group is a well diversified group. Even if you open the Google and type Treasury Consulting, the first name is ours. We are on almost every social platform with a valuation of around $500 million, 100% cash rich company, and more importantly, not a single penny raised by any venture capitalist. And we endeavor to be like this, and hopefully, as soon as the coronavirus is over, which I envisaged somewhere 2022 end, with due respect, we are immediately setting up our British and New York entity. Irrespective, Biden will come or Trump will come, but 99% Biden is coming. We are setting up our New York and London entities and take our hedge fund further. Today's topic is to talk about our training programs. The reason of shooting that video is that yesterday I got a call from someone. He looked like a banker with an age group of around 50 to 55, and he was asking some questions from me on foreign exchange. I did answer few, but he was continuously asking, so I asked him that we are having training programs, you can join that. And then he told me that I was not aware that you are having a training program also. In fact, it was very surprising for me that how come people are not aware that Treasury Consulting do have a training program. Treasury Consulting standing today offer 5 types of training, which is functional trainings, forensic trainings, technological trainings, information technological training, and regulatory trainings. All these 5 categories of trainings are well explained on our fixed income platform www.fixedincome.global, and more than 200 plus training programs are lively available on our platform. You know that Treasury Consulting is having Reuters, we having access to Bloomberg TV, a lot of magazines across the globe, a lot of research data, Wall Street, and whatnot. Our training programs are completely practical in nature, and we continue to add the flavor of Reuters, Bloomberg, and many other technical things in our training programs. So we are not a presentation based training program. Example, if I give the training of foreign exchange, I would be adding Reuters, Bloomberg TV, I would be adding, the platforms like the 10K, which is in America, we don't use annual report, we call 10K. 10K of banks like Goldman, JP, HSBC, which is in public domain. And I should not refer this 10K, rather I should say as a book. They are more or less book. Plus, we would be covering Excel solvers. There are many things we would be covering in FX. When we speak about regulatory, we're using Reuters, plus the various regulatory circulars of the different regulators and so on and so forth. Our training programs are completely practical in nature. More importantly, it is taught in such a way that we link to the end result. Example, if we're speaking about banks, then we take the annual reports of the bank in the public domain to explain. If we're speaking about regulatory, we would be taking about the regulatory circular by different central banks of the globe. Example, Monetary Authority of Singapore, Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, and all. Because as a hedge fund desk, we keep tracking about different changes in the regulatory. And guys, I have told you one thing. Coronavirus is more or less on the verge of over, because many good companies like Pfizer, Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, and various other top companies, they are coming up with their vaccine. And I'm very happy that as soon as the vaccine will come, at least 50% job done. Rest 50% is the supply chain issue, which of course to be managed in a relevant way. The very important thing which really we need to understand is that after the coronavirus and all this mess up open, the international regulator will once again back their focus to LIBOR transition, Basel III, SFTR, MiFID II, and all. I think that in another 2 years of time, basically, I see coronavirus to end closer to 20 to end. After this, a huge regulatory push is coming, and there is a handsome requirement of our regulatory professionals which are coming across the globe. Treasury Consulting also already having many regulatory programs which we are launching, and now in another 2 years, we would be launching a lot of regulatory related videos, some paid, some free. That is what all about. Still, in case you left up any questions about our training programs, you can definitely WhatsApp us 9818485155. Rather, you should visit our fixed income platform www.fixedincome.global, and here more or less all training programs are live, so you would be able to refer that. We endeavor to add lot of trainings in another 1 year of time, and I assure you in another 720 days, which is by December 2022, so much of material would be coming from our side that whatever you would be typing in financial market, our name will come. Like today, if you type any financial topic on the YouTube, our name will come because we cover diversified videos. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great time.